La personnalité têtue du prince William a été exposée dans une vidéo déterrée dans laquelle le duc a exprimé le désir de contrôler sa propre vie. Prince William has continued to endear himself to the British public in recent weeks. The Duke and Duchess of Cambridge stole the show at the 94th Royal Variety Performance on Thursday. Kate wore a floor-length emerald green dress, while William wore a classic tuxedo. Comedian Alan Carr greeted the couple at the show, sending the audience into hysterics. Emmer Carr told Kate, "You look absolutely beautiful. You gave Paul Carrier out between July and September show William and Kate are the most popular royal beaux and the Queen." The Cambridge have increased their public presence in recent weeks and months, appearing at a host of engagement, greeting gathering fan along the way. William, however, despite his very public position, is incredibly protective of his privacy and likes to be in control of his own life. The 2007 documentary Prince Charles and Prince William, Royal Rival, explored the relationship William has with his father. The documentary's narrator, Anthony Utley, said William is the great hope of the monarchy. Emmer Utley said, William's natural magnetism is something most politicians can only envy. Royal expert Judy Wade said William, second in line to the throne, has inherited many of his mother's qualities. She said, I do think that Diana if she could see William today, would think that he has got a lot of Spencer in him. First of all he has got her steely determination, he want what he want when he want it, and he get what he want normally. The clearest example of this, perhaps, came when William was still a student at the University of St Andrews in Scotland. William embarked on an history degree course at St Andrews, which currently tops the Sunday Times Good University Guide, before switching to geography. In an unedited video, filmed when he was in his final year in 2005, William said, I really do want to be in control of my own life, and if I don't agree with what someone is saying or what someone is pushing on me, I won't do it. If I'm wrong and they're right and people tell me that then obviously I'll change my mind. I'm always open to people saying I'm wrong because most of the time I am. He added, I at losing control. I think it's very important to see what you want to do and go for it. Royal expert Katie Nicholl showed the idea that William is very much like his mother. She told the documentary, Diana was very stubborn, and William is as well. It's very interesting that William will not be railroaded into anything. He will put his foot down, dig his heels in, and he will not budge or be budged by anyone. Being in control is something that William implemented with the treatment of his then girlfriend Kate, too. Former editor of The Sun, Kelvin McKenzie, told the recent Channel 5 documentary The Tabloid and the Royal that William invoked a nulo on her behalf several years ago. He explained, if you're William, you'd seen your mother basically pursued on the high street by photographer. That would have left a scar on him, it was certainly having an effect on him. He continued, he want to protect her so he effectively invoked the law. There is a European Court of Human Rights law saying everybody has a right to privacy, and they invoked that on Kate's behalf. Royal commentator Camilla Tominey said William wanted to avoid the mistake of the past with Kate. She added, that is why it was a very, very slow drip feeding of Kate to the press and to the public. Since their marriage, William and Kate have asked that their privacy should be respected when off duty. They both remain very protective of the privacy of their 3 children too. Photos and video of Prince George, Princess Charlotte and Prince Louis have been posted on the Cambridge family's Instagram page, although these are FW and far between.